Hi friends, welcome to Tech Talks. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. In this video, I will explain Microsoft Azure Chapter 2 in detail. We will walk through why Azure is the right choice, types of subscriptions, Azure Dashboard in detail. Let's see why Azure is the right choice. Intelligent services, more productive, trusted cloud, flexible pricing, unmatched hybrid capabilities, simple integration with Microsoft tools, identity and access management. Shortcut is IAM. I will explain all these in detail. First, intelligent services. We can create intelligent apps using powerful data and artificial intelligence services. Example, Azure Databricks, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Bot Service. More productive. With Microsoft Azure Cloud, developer or application team can focus on more innovative applications development and business logic. So no need to worry about the infrastructure setup and manage resources. Microsoft Azure Cloud is a trusted cloud. So many startup companies, government and 95% of Fortune 500 business running on Microsoft Cloud. Flexible pricing. Microsoft Azure offers pay as you go model. No maintenance cost, multiple subscription offers for flexible pricing. I will explain in detail that Microsoft multiple subscription offers. Microsoft Azure Cloud offers unmatched hybrid capabilities. Organizations choose hybrid cloud approach for below reasons and many more. Data security requirements and extending on-prem to Azure AD, business continuity. Simple integration with Microsoft tools. Organizations depend on Microsoft tools like Outlook, Office 365, and SharePoint. Microsoft Azure Cloud Services easily integrate with these Microsoft tools. No compatibility issues. Identity and access management. For more security, Azure Cloud Services preferred role-based access control. Shortcut is RBAC. Azure Roles: owner, contributor, reader, backup operator, security reader. Types of subscriptions. Subscription is required to create or manage Azure Cloud Services. Most popular subscription types: free trial, pay as you go model, Azure for students. Free trial, full access to all services. Explore any service that you want. Pay as you go model. This flexible pay as you go plan involves no upfront cost and no long term commitment. So you only pay for the resources you use. Azure for students, it is innovative, explore and drive your career with Azure Credits Plus popular free products for 12 months. These are the three most popular subscription offers from Azure Cloud. Let's see another subscription offers. Azure Pass sponsorship, Visual Studio Enterprise subscription, Visual Studio Enterprise subscription, MPN, Visual Studio Professional subscription, developer support, Azure for Students Starter. Here we see that Visual Studio Enterprise and Professional subscriptions available. Here we see that developer support also available from Azure Cloud. Developer support mainly used for individuals or companies using Azure in a non-production environment. It is for evaluation, including reactive technical support only during business hours. Next one is Azure for Students Starter. This is for students learning. Let's see another subscription types. Azure in Open. Purchase Microsoft Azure services from your partner using Microsoft's Open Volume Licensing program. Next one is Microsoft Partner Network. And Microsoft Azure sponsorship, we see that standard support also available from Microsoft Azure Cloud. Standard support is 24 by 7 technical support, fast initial response, and ability to set severity of issues. Next, pay as you go dev or test. This offer is for teams of active Visual Studio subscribers to run dev or test workloads on Microsoft Azure. Let's see other subscriptions as well. MSDN platform subscription, professional direct support, Visual Studio Enterprise, Visual Studio Test Professional subscriptions. Professional direct support includes initial response for technical issues, escalation management, and account management related. These are the available subscription offers from Microsoft Azure Cloud. We need to choose subscription type according to our requirement. Next, we will walk through Azure Dashboard. We can create our own dashboard from here. First, we need to log into Azure portal. Then we can navigate to Azure Dashboard. Highlighted one is the dashboard. We can access the dashboard. We can create the dashboard from here. We can customize the dashboard. Basically, why we need dashboard? We can create all the resources and have it in handy. We can make a favorite list and add all the resources in one dashboard. In this way, we can create our own dashboard. I will explain Azure technology in detail in chapter 3. Please like, share, comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.